My name is Laeli from West Nusa Tenggara. It's like eastern part of Indonesia. And I work as a gender specialist and with experience in public health, child and woman empowerment. I think it's really essential, this kind of things, because it builds like capacity of the nation, like Asia-Pacific participants, on how the resilience of sea, maritime, and how important to share knowledge between these, participants to enrich our lesson learned or our best practice on how to do sustainable development among others, and how this can be adopted by our governments or our donor that maybe have different insight. And I think it's really good opportunity for people to learn. My topic is about gender and inclusivity. It pertains about how women play a significant role in any sector, regardless their gender identity, regardless their role in society. We have to ensure that women should be tailored their interests, their experience, their knowledge, because the development should also include women within their initiative. By also acknowledging that we need also affirmative action and equity to ensure that whatever resource we have through a program can be also utilized by women. Gender equality is very relevant to this topic, because without having a great contribution for women to contribute in our sea, let's say in our environmental destruction, I think women's situation will be jeopardized by this. If we neglect that women have to bear the brunt impact of this environmental degradation, we really have to correct that. So we really have to include women within this any initiative on environment, because I believe women also have essential knowledge on how to preserve this environment. They have we have their local wisdom. They know the nature. They're very close to nature. So we really have to learn from women, and we have to highlight the fact that the gender equality not only require women for this, but also men. Like I said previously in our workshop, it takes two to tango. Otherwise, nothing will work. I want everyone to evolving, learning more and more. Be curious about your passion, your passion. Be passionate on especially about gender terminology, because it's a broad context. It's intersects with many sectors. It's not only about men and women only, but also other gender. We have to respect people's choice on what their life is. So my last message is I want everyone to knowledge our differences, because we are diverse in this world. So we have to respect one another.